guys, I'm Teresa. Welcome to my channel. Today we're filming a short video about our pond in our front yard. Now, water is a very big element in Japanese gardens, and we do have several water bodies in the garden. And so this pond is about 1 foot deep. It is made out of waterproof concrete. And at the moment, as you can see, it is not filled with water. We usually drain it before the winter starts, because when it freezes in winter, it may actually damage the concrete. But now we are ready to get it filled again, and we're going to show you what kind of maintenance we do on this pond. You may wonder what this pond is actually for. We do not have any fish in there, any plants. And the purpose of the pond is to create a pathway over the water. So behind me is an area you already know, we planted that the other day. This is the pathway that leads from our car park to our house. So the entrance door is to my left. And the idea is, as you walk along the pathway, you're supposed to relax when you get home from work or something like that. And you walk over these stepping stones, they're also made out of concrete, over the water, slowly, and then into the house. Okay, so now you can see a more closer picture of the pond. And we're going to fill the water level all the way up to the top, all the way up to here. And we're doing this later on today, but before we do that, we need to do some cleaning. There are big oak trees behind me, and they create a lot of dry leaves over the entire winter actually, so I think the last ones are still up there. But anyway, so we're gonna pick those leaves out, the few that are back in. We do clean this pond actually with a leaf blower all winter long in order to keep on track of it. And also, we do have a lot of acorns that fall into the pond from the trees behind me. I have already cleaned the pond out. The best way I found to do that is actually by vacuum cleaning them out. So I use a house vacuum cleaner to do that. Now, at the moment, after I've picked out a few leaves, we will jet wash it as well. You can maybe see on these stones here, there's some algae buildup you see on the ones below, so it's a little bit green. So we're gonna clean that off. The pond has a drain, which is right there, which is connected to our general water drainage system. So it is easy to clean off, and the water will just run off. And once we've done that, then we're good to go to fill it. So we're ready to start up We're ready to start picking up all the leaves that are in the pond before we fill it. Now, because this is kind of a boring task, we will do that with a time lapse. The jet washing is done. As you can see, it looks all nice and clean. The algae are gone. And now we're gonna just wait until the water from the jet washer runs off into the drain. Maybe we'll wait for half an hour, and then we're ready to fill the pond. Do you see these guys? That's a newt. That's one of our visitors, normally in the big pond. Already out this year. This is very early, and this one is very big. I'm not sure if you can see the back, but it looks a bit like a dragon. So you can see on the surface that there are some leaves and some acorns still, even though I filled it properly, coming up. They're swimming on the surface, and before we're done filling, I'm gonna go fishing. So guys, we're done filling the pond. Doesn't it create a really beautiful atmosphere? It's very calming and very nice to have this water here. So now we're actually done shooting for the day. So that means I can go after work, walk over the water, relax, and enjoy the evening. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.